If you're seeing a GIMP Python error or your script just refuses to show up in the menu, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common causes and the fastest fixes step by step. These issues usually happen when a plugin crashes during GIMP's startup scan, when the script is placed in the wrong folder, or when you're trying to use an old GIMP 2.10 script in GIMP 3.0. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to check your script, match it to the right version of GIMP, and avoid those frustrating Python errors that stop your tools from loading. And before we jump in, if this guide saves you time, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it tells YouTube to show this video to more people who need it. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about the most common symptom. Your script does not show up in the menu at all. When that happens, the first thing to understand is that the script may have crashed while GIMP was scanning its plugins and scripts during startup. If GIMP hits an error while loading that Python file, it often stops registering the plugin, which means it won't appear anywhere in the interface. So the first thing you should do is check where the script is installed. If you're using GIMP 3.0 or newer, the folder structure matters a lot more than people expect. Your script needs to be placed inside a folder with the exact same name as the script file, excluding the .py extension. So if your file is called example-script.py, then the folder containing it should also follow that same name rule. A small folder mistake here can be enough to prevent the script from being detected. If the script still doesn't appear, open the file and look for obvious Python problems. Missing indentation, broken imports, or outdated function calls can cause GIMP to skip the script completely. Even one small syntax issue can prevent the plugin from loading, so it's worth checking carefully before you move on. Next, let's cover one of the biggest reasons for GIMP Python errors: version mismatch. This is a huge issue, especially if you recently updated GIMP or downloaded an older plugin from the internet. A script that worked perfectly in GIMP 2.10 may fail completely in GIMP 3.0 because the underlying Python support and plugin system have changed. Here's the key point. GIMP 3.0 deprecates Python 2 entirely. That means older scripts using legacy code, especially imports like from GIMP foo import, will no longer work the way they used to. If your script depends on GIMP 2.10 style code, it may need to be rewritten for GIMP 3 using the newer Python 3 GIMP and GObject libraries. So if you're troubleshooting a plugin and it worked in the past but now breaks after an update, the first thing to check is compatibility. Make sure the script is actually designed for your version of GIMP. If it says it was made for GIMP 2.10, then it may not run in GIMP 3.0 without changes. In that case, the safest fix is to look for an updated version of the script from the developer. That leads to the next step. Always check the developer's GitHub page, official website, or release notes for an updated build. A lot of plugin authors publish newer versions specifically for GIMP 3.0, and that updated version may solve the error instantly. If the script is open source, you may even find a migration branch or community patch that replaces the old Python 2 code with a modern Python 3 version. If you're not sure whether the issue is the plugin or your installation, try testing another known working Python script. If that one loads correctly, then the problem is probably specific to the script you're trying to use. If no Python scripts are loading at all, then the issue may be with your GIMP installation, your plugin path, or your Python environment. Another useful troubleshooting tip is to keep an eye on error messages during launch. If you see a GIMP wire read, crash error, or a similar startup failure, that's a sign the plugin communication layer has broken down during execution. In many cases, this points back to an incompatible script or a bad plugin file rather than a random GIMP bug. So to summarize the fix process, start with the folder structure, then verify the script's compatibility with your GIMP version, then check for outdated Python 2 code, and finally search the developer's website or GitHub for an updated plugin. Those 4 steps solve a large percentage of GIMP Python errors. If you're still stuck after that, the best next move is to remove the broken script temporarily, restart a GIMP, and confirm that the rest of the application loads normally. Then add the plugin back only after you've confirmed it matches your version of GIMP. That way, you can isolate the issue much faster. I hope this helped you fix your GIMP Python error and understand why your script wasn't showing up. If it did, please hit that like button, subscribe for more easy software tutorials, and leave a comment if you want a follow-up video on installing or converting Python plugins for GIMP 3.0. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.